Hi everyone, my name is Scott Brady, and welcome to my course ASP.NET Authentication, The Big Picture. I'm the Identity and Access Control Lead at a company called Rock Solid Knowledge, and I specialize in protocols such as OpenID Connect and all things authentication. This course is designed to help you decide what authentication method to use in your ASP.NET application. We'll be taking into account things such as the type of users who will be using your system, the level of risk associated with your data and users, and what technology stack you intend to use. After all, it's pretty hard to secure what you can't identify. We'll also go through the various technologies available for modern authentication in ASP.NET, giving you an understanding of concepts such as password storage, time-based one-time passwords, FIDO2, and even a little about protocols such as OAuth and OpenID Connect. This course is designed so that you can either pick and choose modules based on the technology you are using, or watch it all the way through for a broad overview of what's available. Before you start this course, you should be familiar with ASP.NET Core and your chosen technology stack. But by the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of what authentication methods you want to use in your application, what to use in .NET to implement it, and where to go to learn more and deep dive into that technology. I hope you'll join me on this journey to understand authentication with the ASP.NET Authentication Big Picture course on Pluralsight.